All right, I'm back on Lincoln's face. I'm going to take a measurement here to the beginning of his lip. Actually, where it divides. Okay. And then I transfer it to my small caliper. And that's right where I got it. Okay. What I'm doing is measuring the width of his mouth. I really wish I had not put the beard on the mask and I left it the way it should be. And it would be a lot easier to do the jawline, which I'm trying to replicate here. I'll get it. I mean, it will be a lot less measuring and more of my eye looking at the face. On the photograph. He has deep set eyes, and so I'm going to try to get that replicated. I've taken the basic measurements of his face, but now it's going to be up to my eye. And I think for me, the uneducated in sculpting person that I am, I do better when I work from my eye instead of so many measurements. I can measure myself right into a grave here. So I'm just going to go by what I see. I got on my cell phone a picture of Lincoln's unobstructed, or what is it? Well, I screwed mine up by putting clay on it. And this one doesn't have clay on it. And I have to have his jawline perfect for that beard to look like it should. So I'm just going to keep on playing with it and work it out with my eyeball. My eyes have done me a lot of good in the past. And it's something I was blessed with. I really was. The ability to replicate what I see through my hands. And I've still got the full size mask to go by, but I also have my eyes to interpret what I see. Anyway, I'm just doing his nostrils right now. He's got a bulbous nose right about there, and it's a thick nose. Just adding little pieces of clay. I'm going to do one side of his face because it'll just make it a lot easier on me to get the other side right too. Now where he's got this kind of a wart on his face, that even has structure. There's just so far physical measurements can go before you have to use your eye to fill it in. There's not going to be any rushing of this face to get it done. It's just going to take time. I know it doesn't look like much now. It's just a bunch of jumbled bits of clay. But believe me when I tell you, I will conquer this. That's looking good. There are very subtle shape to his head, his forehead. Boy, this really starting to look like him. I know my hand's in the way and I apologize. But I just got no other way to do this. Now, he's got a few wrinkles right here at the bridge of his nose. Ever so slight. Oh, I don't know why this is so stressful, but it's a real physical stress that I feel. I mean, it's like I'm having a workout right now. Whew. Well, I think this side of the face is getting there. Now next week, I'll come in on Monday and get the other side of the face. I'm really happy the way this side turned out. It really does remind me of Lincoln. I think I've got this side of the face pretty well done. I am so happy the way this turned out. I've stressed about this. I prayed about it because I want to do him justice. He deserves the best I can give. And that's what I'm trying to do. All right, everybody, have a great night and a great weekend. And I'll see you next week. I'm thrilled with this. What I did was I took the initial measurements from the mask, the life mask that was made of him. Even though I've got clay on top of it, I only put a very thin layer on top of the mask itself. And I was able to, I think, match it pretty quick, pretty good. Pretty darn good. All right. Good night. I'm going to have to attack this side next week. But at least I got this side done. And I'm happy with it. All right. Good night, everybody. I've said that several times already, didn't I? It's because I'm feeling really good right now. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.